What's up, Kurlz Krew, and welcome again to my channel. How are you doing? I'm doing great. Well, today I am going to be trying this Splat 3D wash. It is in royal red and it says no bleach needed. Well, we're gonna see what happened with that, right? Anyway, what we ended up with is a super classy in the front, vibrant party in the back look here. So if you guys would like to see that, please stay tuned.
Little Karen with a pressing curl, a curly afro when I cut my hair. 19 when I try to relax her. Oh man, what a disaster. 23 when I cut it all off. 24 when I got on natural.
Okay, crew, so we are starting with this Splat in royal red. It is 30 wash. It does say that it does not need a bleach, like I stated before. So I am just going to be applying this to my hair and seeing how this turns out. Now, I know my hair is a little dark. Actually, it's a lot dark. But I do have some spots in the back that are blonde from trying to dye my hair red last year. So you guys will see that, and we will just see how this turns out. And hopefully we like it. So just keep watching. So I started with my hair already sectioned. I have 2 sections in the back that I'm going to separate into 2 more, and then I also have 2 sections in the front, and I am just working on that and separating each section. And I am working on my ends first, and then I will go back in and work a little bit into my roots. I didn't do a full inside of my root look. I just wanted to add a little bit to the end, and hopefully this is more of like a, I don't even know. Hopefully this is more of like a tint, because I know this is not going to completely dye. So let's see where this goes. We finally made it to the other half of our head. So I wanted to make sure that I told you guys to definitely have a super old shirt on like I did. I know this is super bright, you guys, and the color is going to stain whatever you have on. Also, when you wash this out later, this is going to run, so you want to make sure that you wash your hair out in a sink and definitely not in the shower, or else you're going to have this dye all over your skin. So yes, make sure you have on an old shirt like you guys see here. I have some bleach stains and a hole in it. Perfect thing for dyeing your hair, but I may have to touch up my curtains later. But anyway, hope you guys are enjoying and just keep watching. So I learned a lesson from last year. Sorry about all the mess, you guys. I kind of was just getting that stuff all over the place. It was hard to kind of look at the camera and still be able to make sure it didn't get all over myself, and trying to make sure it got into my hair the way that I needed it to. So you guys are going to see this all over the place. It's going to kind of look like a horrible scene here, a nightmare. Whole nightmare. Kind of looks like my Halloween video. Yes, guys, my little killer bride. You can take a look at that video if you guys want to. But anyway, yes, just working along here. And I just wanted to let you guys know that I did use 2 of those tubes of the hair dye, because I did start to run out as soon as I got into the back. So if you are considering doing this, if your hair is about the same thickness or length as mine, you are definitely going to need 2 of them. So yeah, keep watching. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like 2 hours later. So let's see how the color took. I'm gonna wash it out and see you guys soon. I don't know, guys. I'm being totally honest. I had to wait to finish filming this because I don't know. Just keep watching.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Is it good? Great. I get to do nothing.
Okay, I don't know what happened. I gotta let it sit for a day or two. Maybe I'll try to strip it down to white.
My hair's blue! It's blue!
Okay, guys. So the box says that it works on treated or non-treated hair, and it conditions your hair while it colors. It also says 30 wash, no bleach needed. No bleach needed. Okay, guys. So I put this on my hair. I did try to dye my hair last year around this time. I always try and get it red, but for some reason I just cannot get it to that bright, vibrant red that I'm looking for, which is in the back here. So last year, I can't even remember what color dye it is that I used, but it was also a box dye that claimed to not need a bleach, and that one actually did work. So what you guys see in the back that turned into this bright red color here is what was left as blonde. So it kind of corrected the color. It's not exactly what I was going for, but I like it for now. I was gonna straighten and style it out for you guys, but I am gonna have a video coming soon that is gonna show me styling this with this color for my birthday. So I'm not gonna add any heat right now because I will be adding heat later. And guys, I apologize for the texture of my hair right now, okay? Because you can see the color. Let me show you that up front. It did tint all the way through, but again, I apologize for my hair. Guys, we were getting a snowstorm here, so I'm one of those crazy people that did not have like anything in the house. Like I had some things, but not everything. So I had to go out and get some food, y'all, you know, milk, eggs, bread, cheese, you know, the basics. Guys, so I had to go out and basically just put my hair up. So I allowed this to dry for 2 days in the air. So I am just going to style this up for you guys so you can see it. I'm just going to spray some water. This is rose water from Rebel Drops. If you guys seen a review I recently did, check out those products. They are amazing. But I'm going to use this so that I can refresh my hair a little bit. And then I'm going to go in with a Cantu Leave conditioner. And I'm just going to style half of it up and the rest of it down. Okay? So let's get into that. Let's just spray away and freshen up the hair so it's easier to manage. I know, guys, I'm spraying away, but a lot of my definition is gone. I need that back, baby. Okay, baby. Overkill. Anyway, so now I am going to take a little of this Cantu and I'm just going to put that around the edges in the front of my hair just to give myself a sleeker look. And then I am going to section my hair off. You can use a comb if you want. I'm just going to use my fingers. I like to use my fingers a lot more than I do a comb because for naturals we want to prevent breakage. So the less things you use to manipulate your hair with, the less it will fall out. And length retention length retention is the most important thing here. So I am just going to grab this and brush it up to the top of my head. If it will let me. Come on here. Okay. Now that is up. Hair dangling from my arm. Okay. And pony it. I'm gonna wrap this 3 times. And And then the rest of it, I am just gonna let wild and free. I am gonna manipulate this a little bit when I put the moisturizer on there. And then I'm just going to fluff out the back. Because like I said, you guys, I don't want to manipulate my hair too much because I'm about to get it done. Well, I'm about to do it for my birthday. Literally in 2 days. So, little Cantu Leave conditioner. Put that on your hair on the outsides. Literally just like loosely grab and squeeze that in. Just to add a little moisture and shine. Look at the colors, guys. See? And this dye obviously is a fail for what you guys would be looking for, but for me this is perfect. Okay, I like the whole like semi-tinted hair color with the party in the back because I have to work in the professional world, and of course those super vibrant colors are not exactly acceptable, so this is perfect for me. Party in the back, and you can bring it to the front. Oots, oots. Oots, 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 oots. I don't know what that party song is, but whatever, you guys get it right? Right? What do you think? A little more of that on there. Alright guys, I am done manipulating my hair. I'm gonna finger do my edges. Finger my edges. Finger my edges. There we go. Boom. I'm gonna throw on some earrings and I am done, baby. Okay, baby. But anyway, what did you guys think? Do you like it? Do you like how the color came out? Let me know if you guys try box colors and how it goes for you. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you did like, please make sure to subscribe. Until next time.